Hi Best Buds, it's Cathy with Cathy's Garden, and I'm so happy that you joined me today. Today we're going to make silk flower wax seals, but first let's have our shout out to Judy, Honesty, Carolyn, Lenny, Hilda, Jan, Carol, Rochelle, Monica, and Nancy. I appreciate each and every one of you. You guys, I wasn't going to make a video on this because I was just making some wax seals, but I did get a brand new seal and I couldn't wait to try it out. And I was prepping for my next video, but my next video became the video that I'm doing right now because I tried something and I really loved how it turned out. So I wanted to share that with you. So what I have done is I have some silk flower petals. I just bought some silk flowers, you know, they come like this. I popped it off the stem and then I just removed the calyx and then I separated the petals like this. And what we're going to use are the petals. And I have my little wax tray here and I sat my little petal down. I just thought, oh, I'll just have some fun and just see how this turns out. I don't know how it's going to turn out. And then I really liked how it turned out. And it's actually going to work very well in my next project. So I thought I would show you how I did this because you might just say, how did you make those when I do my next project? Okay, so I've got my little silk flower in here and I'm just going to carefully place my wax right in the center of my little flower like this. Oops, I went over on the side a little, but I don't think that's going to matter. And then I just placed my wax seal right in the center. Just like that. Let's do another one. Let's pick out, let's do, I don't know, maybe a black. Because I really like how the black one turned out. I have a hard time getting these out of this little tray. But anyway, I also wanted to say thank you to whoever it was that told me to raise up my candle on the bottom because now my little burner works and I'm so happy. I was so sad when my burner wasn't working properly and now it works just great and I'm just very thankful that someone, I don't even know who it was, but one of y'all told me to raise up my candle and all I did was I set a candle on top of another candle and that raised it just enough that my burner now works really well. So I'm very happy about that. So let's see, let's just stir this up. It's a black and then the same color that we had in the first little flower that we made. And I'm kind of anxious to make some other flower. Oh my goodness, I love that. I love that. I'll pick it up in just a minute. This one's ready, so let's get this down. I don't want to burn my finger. That would hurt. There we go. Well, no, it's not. There we go. I need to get it so it stays. These petals are kind of turned funny. There we go. Now let's just place this right down. Ooh, that one's kind of coming up all over the place. Look at this one. Let me see. Isn't that cool? I think that is so special. Let me show you another one. This is one that I made. I love this stamp. This stamp, it doesn't bother me if it's not like even all the way around. There's something about this stamp that I just absolutely adore. These are two petals together. There's a light colored one and a darker color one. Oh, I better put some more stuff in here. Let me wipe this out. We'll start another color, maybe something bright, and use one of the other color of petals. All right, you guys, let's use 3 different shades of pink. And let's put it on our warmer, and then let's take this one. I think it's ready. And we'll look at this. This one's a little messier, but I don't know, I still kind of like it. And it's a little messy. It was because the petals were too curled up too much this way. You know what we could do, because I probably won't use this. I'm just going to try something. I'm going to try just to trim this around to see if that would work. Yeah, the petals, okay, the petals didn't work so well, but there's nothing wrong with trimming it and just using the wax seal. Now, I also have a pin, and it's metallic color pin, and I'm just going to highlight, try not to get my head in here, highlight the raised areas on this so you can see it a little better. And I was choosing these darker colors because it's going to go with what my next video is going to be. But oh my goodness, now look at it. Ooh la la, right? Ooh la la. Okay, so let's see how, I thought maybe this yellow one or this pink one. See how this lays a lot flatter than that other yellow flower that I had. That other yellow flower was totally different type of flower than these right here. So I'm just going to stir the combination that I had up. You know, I just can go for hours making these things. I love making these things. I loved making them as a kid. I got a set when I was probably in junior high, and oh my goodness, of course it was when you had the stick. You didn't have this cool burner, nothing like this, but it was so much fun back in the day, and it's still, I find it still so much fun. I'm just going to wipe this off because there's a little bit coming down here and I don't want it to burn. Just going to wipe that off, put that in there. So we're going to do this pink one. So I think I'm going to lighten it up, and let's add a couple of white ones. I think that will be plenty in there. Oh, that's still really in there. Now let me show you. Now here's another one that I used with the double petals. That one turned out just a little better. It's still kind of oozed out on the side. I'm not sure how I feel about that one, but let me show you. Now this one, it almost looks like the sunflower, doesn't it? That was the first one I made, and I got so excited. And then I decided to get these other petals here. Not this one. This petal belongs to this flower. These flowers are totally different. I got these this weekend, or last weekend, with my daughter. Now I did get some yellow ones or orange ones like that too. That's what these are. These are these. And then this one is this one. Yeah, it was this one right there, which was kind of a miniature sunflowers. So I'm anxious to see how these yellow, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, oh my goodness, how cute is that? Oh, you guys, I'm having so much fun. You guys have to try this. So the little flowers, I don't know, only if you're in the United States will this work for you, but they were Dollar Tree flowers. My daughter took me to Dollar Tree, and I'll show them to you in just a minute. Let's do this pink one, and then I'll grab the stem, and you can see what it looks like. Oh, that's kind of, I might have put too much liquid wax in it because it's kind of gone over the edge again, but maybe we don't care. Okay, I'm grabbing them. Okay, These right here is what I made this with. They're just miniature little sunflowers. And then these, look how they're on the stem like that. So if you go there, it's the ones on the stem like this. And I have pink, I found pink, yellow, and I'm looking, oh yeah, orange. I found orange ones too. So that's what we're using right here. Oh my, isn't that cute? But I think it's, oh look at there. It's still wet enough I can maybe get rid of that. I don't know. I think I have to be careful with how much wax I put in there. Isn't that cute? It's, I don't think it's as stands out as much, but maybe if we color it, maybe that will help. Let's see if that helps. Now I do have a silver pen, and maybe a silver pen might be better. I guess it kind of depends on what colors you're working with. It will depend on what color you want to highlight it with. But I think this pink is more of the cool shade, and this gold is a warm shade. So I'm not sure if I like it together. That's kind of hard to see. See, I'm not sure if I like that gold with that. I think I'd rather like the silver. Let me grab that silver one. It's in here somewhere. Here it is. It's right here. Let's see if this looks, I can do the stems. Yeah, I think the silver would look much better with this pink. I think you'll be able to see that. Can you see where I painted the silver? I don't know. What is, it's so bright. I don't know. It can't, it's very hard to see, isn't it? All right, shall we do one more? One more. How about that? Just one more. Okay, I've got pink in here. So maybe let's add, I don't know, what color should we have? Oh, how about a purple? I have no idea, guys. We're going to add a purple. And let's do it with the pink one. Because the yellow one, I think, is really cute. Look at that. That yellow one's super cute. I love the black one. I think that's super cute. Where's my black thing here? Why that's... I just think they've turned out really, really fun. Super fun. I'll show you the ones that I've made that without the flowers. So I first started doing this, and I was doing colors that I thought would go with my next project that I'm going to video. And so that's why I was selecting these, and I was painting some and not painting some. And I just absolutely love this stamp. Oh my goodness. And I didn't think I had ordered it. So I had ordered some things, and I thought I had put it in my reserve. You know how you can hold things, order some and then put some on hold. I don't know what they call it in your not in your basket. But anyway, I thought I hadn't ordered it. And then it came, and I was like, oh my gosh, I guess I ordered it. I was really excited. But anyway, okay, let's see if this one does. It's a pretty color. I'm going to try not to put too much in here. I think it's, I need to push some down here. Push it down so it, you know, doesn't go all on one side. Okay, let's give it a go. It's not even in the middle of the, it's not in the middle. I don't even know if I can get it in the middle without dumping it. Sure I can. There we go. I did it. Now let's see how that turns out. I have no idea. You guys, I'm having so much fun. It is so much fun. Oh, I hope that's not bothering the camera there. So much fun doing this. See if it's done yet. No, not quite. I don't want to take it off too soon. But you guys, you really, really should get yourself some silk flowers and have a go at making these. Isn't that pretty on there? The only one I don't really care for is this one. I don't really care for that one, but I sure do like the other ones. Let's see how this one looks. I'm rushing it. It doesn't, oh, here it is. Oh my, oh my. See, now look guys, I didn't put as much of the wax on there. Oh, now that's the ticket. Aha, that's it. Don't put as much wax on there. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, you guys, I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please give me a thumbs up. I invite you to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video, and we'll be using these. Okay, I'll see you there, guys. Bye now.